Hello everyone, welcome back. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried different hair products, spend money, follow routine, and still your hair is not going the way you want? If that sounds like you, then stay with me. Today I'm going to show you a powerful natural hair growth mixture using bay leaf, onion juice, and dry ginger. But more importantly, I will teach you why it works. Before we dive in, if you are new here and you love simple natural hair care that actually works, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification because on this channel we focus on real results. Let's be honest, hair growth is not magic, it's a process. Your hair grows from your scalp, not your hands. So if your scalp is dry, weak, poor in circulation, full of buildup, your hair will break, fall and grow slowly. Hair needs three things to grow: stimulation, nutrition, and protection, and this recipe gives you all three. Let's talk about bay leaf. Bay leaf is not just a cooking leaf, this is a hair growth secret. Bay leaf contains vitamin A, C, and B6. It also contains iron, calcium, and antioxidants. Bay leaf helps straighten your roots, your hair becomes stronger at the base. It reduces hair fall, less shedding over time, and it also improves scalp health, help with dandruff and itching. Now let's talk about ginger. Even dry ginger works perfectly. Ginger contains ginger, magnesium, and potassium. It boosts blood circulation, meaning more nutrients to your hair. Did you know poor circulation can slow hair growth? Most people don't. Now let's talk about onion juice. Onions are rich in sulfur, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Onion hair boosts collagen, regrows hair, and reduces hair loss. If your edges are thinning, this is for you. Now let's prepare the mixture. First, take about 5 to 7 bay leaves. Now place the bay leaf into a pot and add 1 cup of water. Put it on a medium heat and allow it to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. As it boils, the heat is helping to extract all the nutrients from the bay leaf into the water. That water is what will become of your hair growth mixture. You also notice that the color of the water starts to change slightly. That is a good sign. After the bay leaf have boiled for a while, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of ginger. Now allow it to boil together for another 5 minutes. This step is very important because the heat helps activate the compounds in the ginger, especially the ones responsible for improving blood circulation to your scalp. But be careful, don't add too much ginger. Once you are done boiling, turn off the heat. Now leave the mixture to cool down completely. This mixture must be completely cool before you move into the next step. Why? Because we are going to add onion juice and it can destroy the nutrient in onion. While your mixture is cool, you take 1 medium-sized onion, cut it into small jar, then blend it. After blending, use a clean cloth or sieve to extract the juice. You only need about 2 tablespoons of onion juice. Now go back to your cool bay leaf and ginger mixture. Strain it to remove the leaf and any particles. Next, add your 2 tablespoons of onion juice into the mixture. Stir everything properly so it blends well. At this point, your hair growth mixture is ready. If you are not using it immediately, pour the mixture into a clean container or a spray bottle. Store it in the fridge. It can last for about 5 to 7 days. After that, it's best to prepare a fresh batch. At this point, I want to ask you, does this look like something you can try at home? Now that your mixture is ready, let me tell you how to apply it properly because honestly, how you apply this mixture is just as important as how you prepared it. First, make sure your hair is slightly damp or dry, not dripping wet. Now take your mixture and begin applying directly to your scalp. This is very important. Divide your hair into sections. This helps you reach your root properly, avoid missing any area. Apply the mixture line by line across your scalp. After applying, gently massage your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes. This step is very important. Massaging helps to boost blood circulation, help the mixture penetrate better, and activate hair follicles. At this point, you should already feel a slight tingling sensation. That is the ginger working. Once your scalp is fully covered, you can take a little more of the mixture and apply it to your hair strand. This helps strengthen your hair, reduce breakage, improve overall texture. Now leave the mixture on your hair for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. This gives enough time for the nutrients to penetrate your scalp. After the time is up, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Make sure you rinse properly, especially because of the onion. You can follow up with a conditioner if you want softer hair. For best results, use this station 2 to 3 times every week. With this mixture, you will start to notice some changes in your hair, especially if you are consistent with it. After about 1 week, you will start to notice less hair fall when you comb or wash your hair. Your roots will begin to feel stronger and your hair will start looking a bit fuller, especially around your edges. As you continue using it into the second and the third week, your hair will start to feel thicker, healthier and easier to manage. You will notice less breakage and your strands will feel more stronger. With consistent use over time, you will begin to notice new hair growths, especially in areas that were thinning. Your hair will look fuller, longer and healthier. But remember, consistency is the real secret. Now let me ask you, have you really been consistent with your hair care routine? Or you are just trying things and stop it halfway? Be honest. If you are ready to change that, go to the comment section and type I am starting today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss more natural hair growth secrets. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.